Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is exploring the vegan lifestyle, addressing the most common mineral deficiencies. Let's get started. Following a vegan lifestyle comes with numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and a decreased likelihood of obesity. However, it's important for vegans to pay special attention to their nutrient intake, as certain mineral deficiencies can arise due to the exclusion of animal-based foods. In this video, we will delve into the most common mineral deficiencies faced by individuals following a vegan lifestyle, and provide practical solutions to address these deficiencies. Understanding vegan mineral deficiencies. Iron, calcium, and zinc are three minerals that individuals on a vegan diet often struggle to obtain in adequate amounts. Iron is vital for the formation of red blood cells and the prevention of anemia. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, while zinc plays a crucial role in immune function and cellular metabolism. While these minerals are readily available in animal-based foods, they require careful consideration in a plant-based diet. Plant-based sources of essential minerals. Fortunately, there is a wide array of vegan-friendly foods that can provide the necessary minerals to meet your daily requirements. For iron, sources such as legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans, dark leafy greens, like spinach and kale, and fortified cereals can be excellent options. Calcium-rich foods include tofu, fortified plant-based milk, kale, broccoli, and sesame seeds. Zinc can be found in foods like nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and fortified breakfast cereals. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can ensure a sufficient intake of these vital minerals. Practical tips for optimizing mineral intake. To optimize the absorption and utilization of minerals in a vegan diet, there are a few practical tips to keep in mind. Pairing iron-rich foods with a source of vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, or tomatoes, can enhance iron absorption. Cooking techniques like soaking, sprouting, and fermenting can also improve mineral bioavailability. For calcium absorption, it's important to ensure an adequate intake of vitamin D, which can be obtained through sunlight exposure or fortified plant-based milk. Additionally, consuming a variety of plant-based foods will help cover a broad spectrum of nutrient needs. Supplementation and regular monitoring. While it's possible to obtain the necessary minerals through a well-planned vegan diet, some individuals may find it challenging to meet their requirements solely through food sources. In such cases, supplementation may be recommended. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian experienced in plant-based nutrition can provide guidance on appropriate supplementation. It's also important for vegans to regularly monitor their nutrient levels through blood tests to identify any deficiencies early on and make necessary adjustments to their diet or supplementation regimen. In conclusion, understanding and addressing common mineral deficiencies in a vegan lifestyle is crucial for maintaining optimal health. By exploring plant-based sources of essential minerals, incorporating them into your diet, and implementing practical tips for maximizing mineral intake, you can ensure that your vegan lifestyle remains balanced and nourishing. Remember, it's always beneficial to seek guidance from healthcare professionals to tailor your diet and supplementation to your individual needs. Embrace the vegan lifestyle with knowledge and take charge of your well-being. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.